What is this? Crocodile. What's that? Crocodile. How about this one? What's this? Banana. Galing ah. How about this one? What's that? Apple. Galing. How about this one? What's this? Elephant. How about this? Shark. Galing. How about this? Orange. Ah. How about this one? Butterfly. How about this one? This one, what's this? Horse. Galing. How about this one? Cut. Cut. How about this? What's this? Rabbit. Rabbit. Yes. How about this? What's this? Egg. Egg. Eagle. Yes, it's an eagle. How about this one? What's this? Jindrak, what is this again? Kiki. Kiwi. Kiwi. It's kiwi. Not kui. Kui ka dyan. Kiwi yon. How about this? What's this? Shard. Lizard. Oh, lizard. How about this one? What's this? What is this? Not this one. We're finished with that. What's this? Monkey. Kakatawa ka talaga. What's this? Corn. Ang galing. Corn. Yes, it's a corn. How about this? What is this again? Dog. Galing. Yay! Clap.